Namaste, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Friday morning, December 13, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. The stock market highlights from Thursday, December 12, 2024. After four sessions of range bound trading, the Sensex and Nifty 50 closed lower on December 12 ahead of India's inflation and industrial output data. Benchmark equity indices, BSE Sensex, and the NSE Nifty 50 ended Thursday's trading session in negative territory. The 30-share Sensex shed 236 points or 0.29% to settle at 81,289. Similarly, the NSE Nifty 50 settled at 24,548, down 93 points or 0.38% from its previous close. 35 out of the 50 Nifty 50 constituent stocks ended in the red, dragged by NTPC, Hindustan Unilever, Coal India, Hero MotoCorp, and BPCL. Conversely, Adani Enterprises, Bharti Airtel, IndusInd Bank, Tech Mahindra, and Adani Ports were among the top 50 Nifty 50 constituent stocks that ended in the green. Adani stocks garnered attention with sharp gains led by Adani Green Energy, which boosted the conglomerate's market capitalization by rupees 27,000 crores. Bank Nifty dropped 175 points or 0.33% to 53,260. The broader markets, which had outperformed the benchmarks over the past 2 weeks, gave way to selling pressure with the Nifty Midcap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 indices ending lower by 0.46% and 0.9% respectively. Among the sectoral indices, only Nifty IT and metal indices managed to eke out some gains. Nifty FMCG was the top laggard amongst the sectors, and it fell over by 1%, dragged down by Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Tata Consumers, and Colgate Palmolive. Global brokerage Macquarie noted that consumer and lifestyle firms will see continued weakness in the December quarter with weak volume growths and risks to earnings. The Nifty Oil and Gas Index dropped nearly 1%, dragged down by Reliance, BPCL, and ONGC. Meanwhile, the IT index rose over 1% intraday and hit a record high of 46,002, led by gains in Infosys, TCS, and Tech Mahindra. Among individual stocks, Adani Green shares jumped over 6% after its subsidiary commissioned a 250 megawatt solar power project in Rajasthan. This commissioning boosts the company's total operational renewable energy capacity to 11,434 megawatts. Apart from Adani Green, a few other green energy stocks like Vari Energies, Hitachi Energy, Torrent Power were also buzzing in trade, driven by positive developments surrounding these companies. Vari Energies secured a 170 megawatt solar power project in Madhya Pradesh just days after winning a 1 gigawatt solar module supply order. Hitachi Energy gained momentum following a recent order in Japan and partnership with Samsung C&T. Torrent Power shares extended gains after its rupees 3,500 crore QIP was oversubscribed 4 times. GHCL shares gained nearly 5% after the company received environmental clearance for its soda ash greenfield project in Kutch. Shares of Five Star Business Finance rose over 2% after 17.5 lakh shares or 0.6% equity worth rupees 114.7 crore changed hands at an average price of rupees 653 per share. After market, the news trickled in that India's consumer price index based inflation had moderated in November to 5.48% compared to 6.21% in October, according to the data from the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation on Thursday. Prices of food items eased to 9% for the month compared with 10.9% in October. The fear index, India VIX, which gauges the volatility in the market, ended down 0.58% at 13.19. In the US overnight, Wall Street pulled back on Thursday as investors evaluated key economic indicators ahead of Federal Reserve's meeting next week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 234 points, or 0.5% to 43,914. The S&P 500 lost 32 points, or another 0.5% to 6,051. And the Nasdaq Composite fell 132 points, or 0.66% to 19,902, after topping 20,000 on Wednesday for the first time. Brent crude is at $73.41 a barrel. Gold is rupees 78,090 per 10 grams. Silver is 92,500 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market. Nifty 50 has made a bearish candle at the lower end of the consolidation, and the activity of today's trade will provide better clarity. On the downside, immediate support is at 24,500, followed by 24,430, which is the 50 DMA, whereas the higher side seems to be capped at 24,690. It is a stock specific market, and hence the focus should remain on individual opportunities rather than the index. Stocks on radar today: Hindustan Aeronautics, Ashok Leyland, GR Infra, Zomato, Bajal Projects, Yes Bank, Blackbuck, Godrej Industries, Chrysler, NACL Industries, NHPC, Greenply Industries, JSW Energy, Nesco, First Source Solutions, Tata Motors, JK Tire and Industries, Adani Green Energy, Tollens Tires, Penar Industries, and Dhampur Bioorganics will be in focus on December 13th. That's today. That's it from me for today. I will see you again on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it's all about money.